He ripped that. He ripped. Okay. He ripped that as he went down. Yeah, yeah. He ripped, as he went down. As he went down. That's how I saw it. Okay. Just so you know.
Send him again, boys. Send him again.
Yeah. But you've got the ball back.
Go get this. Go on in, boys. All over these scrums. Load! Big scrum, boys, big scrum!
Tight, tight, come on, come on!
Squeeze him in, Timmy!
Crowd! Bind! Set!
Up! Push it, push it! Keep pushing, Sam, let's go! Better, boys, much better! Yes, Will,
Hands off the floor again. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain. You put your hands past the ball on the floor. You can't do. Don't. Come on, let's just walk away. Let's walk 10 metres. Let's walk 10 metres. Just stupidity. Hand past the ball on the floor. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Goes to 3. Run up it. Goes to 3. That'll do. Lovely. Positivity. Let's go.
Boys, we've got every single one. We just need to get beat them in the air. Let's go, boys. I'll mark the blue scrum.
I know it's frustrating, but you don't argue with me, Grace. Yeah. Pass the ball on the floor and coming back on the ball. You can't do it. Okay.
Watch him back.
You were falling.
I've got him. Flags! Pressure! Hit him, Jay.
Oh, fuck him!
Flags! Patience!
Tackle release!
Release!
Go!
Playing it on the...
Not 10!
Flags!
You've got to beat him! Third time!
9. Too many times. Last 5 minutes. Just. He knows what he did.
Was that for chatting or
both? On the floor, pushing people, arguing with people all the time. He's lost it in the game. He needs to go.
Can we got time to set?
Thank you. Behind the line, gentlemen. Try scored. Sorry, what?
no?
Sorry.
So who's
Call touch.
did you call him?
No, it's all right.
My flag was immediately up, sir.
His flag was up, apparently. Sorry.
Fucking hell, boys.
Called into touch.
Fucking go back someone now! Hey!
On the 5.
Keep seeing line out!
I'll go,
Yeah.
4-man.
If he calls it,
Sorry, that's bullshit, you know that. Sorry.
Why fucking aggression now? Get somebody up! Come on, get it in! Come on,
play. I'm waiting for you. Leave it alone on the floor. Thank you. Yeah, you.
Only 10 minutes.
Lost forward on the floor.
Yes!
Whoa!
Just lost forward on the floor. No, it's not a penalty. It's just a scrum.
I know what it is. Yeah,
That's fine. Let's go squeeze.
Just lost forward on the floor.
Fucking big squeeze now. Let's go. Big squeeze. Ollie, big squeeze. Hey, let's go. Come on.
Balls it, knock on.
Yeah, knock on the floor. Yeah. He rolled on the floor and went forward from his hand, that's all.
I wasn't complaining, just didn't know.
No, I didn't say you were complaining. I was just explaining.
Squeeze, big squeeze!
Make a fucking point now.
Come on, boys.
Crouch! Bind! Set!
Lower, ready!
One, two!
Now,
Get the fucking ball out, will you?
You can, that's okay, you can have that, you can have that. No. Okay, we're all clear. Thank you. No, it wasn't. Oh, fucking hell. Cleared out, it's okay.
Henry, come on!
Yeah, good job, keep working!
Will! Get out of the way!
Just forward.
Your fucking job!
Just move forward.
Calm down. Next job.
Just a scrum.
Yeah, leave it. Next job.
Stop! Shit!
It was just a scrum. It's just a scrum. Forward pass.
Calm me down. Calm me right down. Get composure.
Good advice. Good advice. About 2 minutes.
2 minutes, boys.
About 2 minutes, yeah. That's good. Let's go, gentlemen.
You should be getting past it.
Big squeeze! Squeeze in! Yeah, hold! Take a grip, lad!
Crouch! Bind! Set!
Yeah, it's gone.
White man. It's a white advantage. White advantage. Advantage over! You ran into him.
Get us on, Georgie. Get us on.
Blue, keep retreating. Okay, let's play. All good, you can play. Try scored. I think we should, don't you? I think so, don't you?
Yeah, well, by the time you got the 90 seconds of the kick.
Exactly. It's only 60 seconds now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not 90 anymore.
That's it. Alright, it's good.
If you take your time, the match is finished. You've got about 30 seconds.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
All right.
Yeah. Cheers, Gav.
Cheers. Cheers, bud. Cheers. Well played.
Thank you, sir.
Well played today. Well played. Yeah.
Thank you.
Well done.
Cheers,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you. Well done. Yes, it is. Thank you today. Well done. Well done. Let me just put that conversion up.
Thank you.
Just put that conversion on. There we go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Well played.
Cheers, sir.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Well played.
Cheers, sir.
Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Thank you.
Well played.
All right.
Thank you. How do you something on TikTok?
Thank you. How's your shoulder?
Neck, all right. Neck and shoulder, really.
Okay.
Very interesting, sir.
Interesting.
That's all I'll say.
In what way? You can say what you want. Doesn't bother
How
me.
many not straight for you in the second half in the lineup?
Oh, because they don't lift. It's not straight. Doesn't matter.
Competing both sides.
No, I disagree. But that's fine. That's fine. That's why I've got the whistle. Okay.
Around my neck. I just picked him up and dropped him.
Oh, mate, yeah, that's it.
Don't think your camera's still on, sir.
Nothing personal.
Yeah, that's all right.
Thank you. Just, you got a big. Thank you. Well played. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
Cheers, sir.
Thank you. Cheers again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Well played. Well done. Thanks again.
Cheers.